Starting qbasic. Step 1. Run the .exe file of qbasic stored in the computer. qbasic window will appear. You will get the welcome dialog box. Step 2. Press the escape ESC key to remove the welcome dialog box. You will get the qbasic window divided into two sections.
Hello students. In this video, we will learn about elements of qbasic. So every language has some rules of grammar, syntax and spellings. Similarly, a programming language has some basic elements that are used for writing programs. The element of any programming language consists of character set, keywords, constants, variables, operators, and statements. So first of all, we will discuss about character set. A set of symbols used to write in a programming language is called character set. The character set in qbasic consists of the following symbols. The first one is numbers. In number, there are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Second type of character set is letters. Letters are in uppercase A to Z and in lowercase a to Z. Third one character set is special characters. In special characters, plus, minus, multiplication, division, hash, dollar, inverted commas, less than, greater than, bracket start, bracket open are included. Next we will discuss about keywords. Keyword is the second element of qbasic. So they are the reserved words, or keywords are the words that already have a defined function for use in basic. For example, print is used to print output. So third one is constants. A constant is a data or value that does not change. There are two types of constants. First one is numeric constant and string constants. Let's discuss about first numeric constant. So numeric constant are positive or negative numbers with or without decimals. For example, 7, 9, 4, 6.5 and 8.7 all are numeric constants. Second is string constant. String constant is a group of characters enclosed with double quotes. For example, inverted comma hello and inverted comma close and students, both are in inverted commas. So blank space can also be included in a string constant. Fourth one is variables. A variable is a name given to an area that contains a value. A variable can contain any value. The value stored in a variable is not fixed. So there are two types of variables. First is your numeric variables. A numeric variable stores numeric data. For example, x is equal to 7. Here x is a numeric variable as it contains a numeric value. Second is string variable. It stores string constants. For example, $a is equal to inverted commas qbasic. Here $a is a string variable as it contains a string constant qbasic. A string variable name end with $sign. So there are some rules for naming variables. So there are certain rules that must be followed while naming variables in qbasic. First one is a variable should start with a letter. Second is it can consist of only letters, numeric digits and the underscore character. Third is it may contain digits such as 1, 2, 3 but not at the starting position. Fourth is it must not contain any special characters such as percentage, hash, @ Fifth is it must not contain blank spaces. And the sixth one is it should not be a keyword such as print, input, rem and so on. The last rule is string variable's name must end with the $sign. After this, we will discuss about operators. So operators are used to perform actions on variables and constants. There are three types of operators. First is relational operators. They are used to compare two values. The output is either true or false. Here is equal to and less than, greater than equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to are relational operators. Second is logical operators. They are used to combine relational expressions. The three logical operators used in qbasics are and, or, not. Their examples are, suppose in and we put a greater than b and b less than c. In or we put a greater than b or c greater than b. In not case we put not a greater than c. The third operator is arithmetic operators. These operators are used to perform calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and exponentials.
In this lesson, we are going to see the commands let, rem, print, lprint, cls and end. In qbasic or in the basic language, commands are given to the programming language to execute some action or to perform some actions. First, we will discuss about let. Let is a command used for assignment. For example, if you want to assign a value 20 to a variable a, you can give let a equal to 20. Now the value of a is 20. In this case, the value of 20 is not changed. So 20 is a constant and a is a variable. And here let is a command or it is an assignment command. Again, if you assign another value to a, that is let a equal to 45. Now the value of a is changed to 45. A is variable, the value of a is changed again. When giving the statements in basic language, we use line numbers at the beginning of every line. Usually we will give the lines 10, 20, 30, 40 in that order in steps of 10. So if you want to give this command as a statement in qbasic editor, you have to give like this 10 let a equal to 20. This is a valid statement in basic language. This 10 is line number, let is a command, a is a variable and 20 is a constant. 20 is constant because the value of 20 is not changing. Value of a is changing, that's why it is called variable, and let is a valid command in qbasic language. Again, you can assign another value, let y equal to 35. Here value of y is changed to 35. So y is a variable. Here the value of 35 will not change. It will be 35 always. So 35 is a constant. So now you are in a position to answer these questions. What is a constant and what is a variable? Here we have a short program in qbasic language. 10 rem program to print name. The first statement is saying this program is to print my name. And in the second statement 20 print Shaji. So this will print the text or the string or the sequence of characters Shaji. And the 30th statement is end. So this is a small program just to print a name or a string. A string means a string of characters. 10, 20, 30 are the line numbers. We have to give the line numbers in a sequence. Preferably, we will give in steps of 10. Rem is a statement used for giving remarks. Here, rem is used to specify the name of the program. After rem, whatever you give, computer will ignore it. and end is used to specify this is the end of this program. Line numbers are given. It is given to identify the statements. There will be many statements. To identify each and every statement separately, we use statements with line numbers at the beginning. Rem is used to give remarks in a program, or if you want to ignore some statements, in that case also you can use rem. After rem, whatever is given, that will be ignored by the computer. That means that part will not be executed or run in the computer. Here we have a program example. This is another program. Let b equal to 20. Let b equal to 35. First we are assigning a value 20 to b, and again we are changing it. We are reassigning another value 35 with b. The 30th statement is rem let b equal to 45. So there is a rem at the beginning of this statement. This statement will not be executed. That means the value of b will remain 35 even at the position of 40th statement 40 print b. So now the value of b is 35 and 35 will be printed in this program. That means the line number 30 will be totally ignored because there is a rem given before the command, and 50th line is end. It is showing the end of the program. Please try this program in your qbasic editor and find it out. What is the output of this program? Are you getting 35 or 45 or 20? This is a program, the same one which we have discussed in the earlier screen. You can try this program. And for executing a program, after typing this program in the qbasic editor, you have to press F5 for executing the program. F5 is the shortcut for running the program. This is another short program, rem program for addition. This program is for adding two numbers. In the statement 20, we are assigning let b equal to 20, and next statement we are giving c equal to 35, and let a equal to b plus c, then print a. The value of b and c will be added and it will be stored in a, and a will be printed. The answer will be printed as 55. You please check it whether you are getting the answer or not. Type this entire code and press F5 and see the output. Here you have another program. In this program, it is for multiplication. X is having a value 20, Y is having a value 35, and Z is having a value X into Y, and Z is printed. So 35 into 20, that value will be calculated and you will be getting it printed on the screen. Type this entire code and press F5 to execute the program or run the program. Print statement or print command is used to print something on the screen. Whatever you are giving after the print statement, if it is a variable, its value will be printed. If it is a string or a text, that will be printed as such. String or text will be given in double quotation. lprint is a command used to print on the paper. cls is a command used to clear the screen. Whatever there already on the screen will be cleared and you will be getting a fresh screen by using cls command. Input command is used to get values from the user.